Namaste. Hello everyone. I'm from RSV group of schools, class UKG, subject English, and I'm going to take a topic in sound words. In sound words. So let's start with the in sound words. In. The word in make with two letters. The word in made with two letters. It's a two-letter word. When we will join the letter I and the letter N, the sound will come, the word will come, that is in. In. E. The sound of letter I. E. And the sound of letter N is N. In sound words. In sound words. E, N, in. E, N, in. In sound words. In. So let's start with the words where the in sound will come. Yes. Now this is the first picture. It's a picture of a dustbin. We can call it dustbin, where we throw the garbage in it. We throw the garbage in it. It is called the dustbin, or we can say as bin. Bin. The first sound is, the beginning sound of this word is b. 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 Have you seen when the letter B join with the sound of in, the word will come, that is bin. So b, in, bin. B, in, bin. B, in, bin. Yes, bin is a dustbin where we throw the garbage in it. Okay? Yes, there are two types of dustbin, red and green, for dry and wet garbage. Okay? So, bin. B, in, bin. B. The beginning sound of B, and the middle sound and the last sound is in. B, in, bin. Bin. B, in, bin. B, in, bin. Yes. Now, this is the picture. It's a picture of a pen. Pen. Pin. Pin. It's a board pin which you use to stuck the paper on the board. We have to use this pin. Pin. We have seen the pin, different kinds of pin. The first pin which we use to hang the hanky or stuck the something, to join the something, we use the safety pin, that is called safety pin. Okay, and it's a board pin. It's a board pin where we stick the paper with the help of this pin on the notice board. Yes, this is the pin. Pa. Pa. The sound of letter P. Pa. Plus in. When we will join the sound in with the letter P, the word will come, the sound will come, that is pin. P, in, pin. P, in, pin. P, in, pin. P, in, pin. Pin. Nice. Now, this is a picture of a tin. As well as we can say it's a can also. It's a can also. And we can say as tin also. So, tin. T. The beginning sound is T. And the middle sound and the last sound is N. So, the word is T. in, tin. T in, tin. T in, tin. T in, tin. Tin. T in, tin. 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 Yes. Now in this picture you have seen a fish. You have seen a fish, and have you seen the circle on its body? Yes, it's a fin. It's a fin. Do you know what is fin in the fish body? Yes, the fin helps the fish to move in the water and balance in the water. So, fin, fin, f, the sound of letter F, and in, f, in, fin, f, in, fin, f, in, fin, f, in, fin, 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 f, in, fin. Yes, now this is the word. It's a word. So let's start to read the word because there is no picture. But I will tell you what is the meaning of this word. First of all, we will try to read the word. Okay. So the first sound is D. D. The sound of D is D. In. D. In. Din. D. In. Din. Din. The meaning of din is a loud noise voice which is unpleasant to listen, which is not good to listen. A loud noise voice which is unpleasant to listen. That means which is not good to listen. Din. D in din. D in din. D, the sound of letter D and the sound of letter N. These two letters, this is in. D, in, din. Din, 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 din. D, in, din. So that's all. These are the words of in family, in sound words. Have you seen one thing is similar in all these words? Have you think about one thing is one sound is similar in all these words? Which sound is similar in all these words? Who will tell me? Yes. Yes. In. Yes. The middle sound and the last sound, that is in. In. In sound comes in every word. Every three-letter word, the in sound comes again and again. Only the beginning sound has been changed there. Only the beginning sound is changed there. Okay? And the middle sound and the last sound is same in each word. Okay? So, these are also called the rhyming words. These are all these words are rhyming of each other. They all are rhyming of each other. Why? Because these words middle and the last sound is similar. Okay? So these are the in family words, and try to read the word with the help of phonics, because phonics helps to read the word easily and make the word easily. Okay, so phonics helps you to read the word easily, make the word easily, and write the word easily. So read the word with the help of phonics. Thank you. Thank you so much.